Hello gardening friends. I really hope it rains today, but here's a look at probably a 3 or 4 year old oak leaf hydrangea, probably one of the Gatsby series, and I bought it. It was 3 inches tall, and it's been, it's happy here, but this is the first real growth I've seen on it in forever. So this is the first bloom. And it's a really long wait, so I ordered it mail order, and I think probably the better situation sometimes for some of these really slow growing plants is just to bite the bullet and buy one in the store when you can get your hands on it. This one is the sister plant. One of them I think is white and the other is pink. Don't know why I didn't buy the same color for both. This one is probably a third larger and has more branching and growth. And am I seeing any flowering? No. No. So, yeah, I'm really looking forward to, after all these many years, seeing something happen with these two oak leaf hydrangeas. I know this doesn't look like much, and it also is not a hydrangea. It is a viburnum, a Shasta viburnum, and it would look kind of like a hydrangea, I guess, once it gets larger and fills with white flowers. Anything I plant in the woods I have to rescue from these stupid smilax right here, and then potentially some like stinkvine or whatever. But this one's been here probably 3 or 4 years, and I bought it like kind of on clearance at I don't know, Home Depot or Lowe's or something. And it's been blooming for me every year, and it's probably, I'm gonna say 3 feet tall. But yeah, this will fill this space. I do have one in the backyard that's, say, 17 by 17 at least. But this is a beautiful oak leaf hydrangea, and it does grow here under a stand of oak trees. And here is the other hydrangea. I don't know, it's spread probably to about 30 feet now. This is like incredibly huge. It's in the woods, so it's got a whole bunch of other trees trying to fill in here. But this is 5 feet tall right here, and then that goes up pretty far. I think I'm gonna cut this back. I say that every year, but after it blooms, and I don't cut it back. And this year it's looking kind of ratty. Here's kind of a better angle. Yeah, it's a good, unless there are multiples here, it's a good, I don't know, 50 feet, not 50, 30 feet.